Welcome to this detailed overview of Sway Wallet, a powerful tool for managing your cryptocurrencies securely and efficiently. In this video, we'll explore the key features of Sway Wallet, guiding you step by step through its interface, functionalities, and the benefits it brings to the table. Sway Wallet offers an intuitive and user-friendly design, making it ideal for both crypto beginners and seasoned traders. The wallet supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, allowing you to store, send, and receive digital assets effortlessly. Setting up Sway Wallet is a straightforward process. After downloading and installing the application, you'll be prompted to create a new wallet. Ensure you securely store your recovery phrase. It's the key to accessing your wallet if you lose access to your device. Once inside the wallet, you'll notice its sleek and intuitive dashboard. Key features include a detailed transaction history, seamless integration with decentralized applications, and powerful encryption technology to protect your funds. One standout feature of Sway Wallet is its ability to connect with various blockchain networks, ensuring broad compatibility and a streamlined user experience. Adding funds to your wallet is simple, with multiple options to transfer your crypto assets safely. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Back to Sway Wallet. The wallet also includes advanced security features like biometric authentication and multi-signature support, providing you with peace of mind. Additionally, its seamless integration with decentralized exchanges allows you to swap cryptocurrencies directly within the wallet, saving time and effort. For users looking to dive into decentralized finance, Sway Wallet offers built-in support for staking and liquidity pools, empowering you to grow your crypto portfolio directly from the app. Don't forget to customize your settings for notifications and updates to stay informed about your transactions and wallet activities. If you're looking for a reliable and feature-rich wallet, Sway Wallet is an excellent choice. Subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up for more in-depth guides and cryptocurrency content.